My name's Tyson Jouglet. I've been a developer for 12 years. I'm an instructor and consultant for skill builders. So I do a lot of training, but I also still do a lot of development. I find it allows me to keep my skills sharp. And in developing new things and trying to help clients solve problems, I learn fun, interesting things that I like to share with other people and help empower other developers to solve their own problems. I'm also a father of 2 awesome boys. I'm a gardener. I got an awesome garden growing in my backyard. I'm a runner. I just ran a 5:49 mile. And that's my new personal best. I was very happy with that. And I'm also a huge D&D nerd. Last night I was up kind of late, slaying some goblins in a dungeon. So I find that even though I'm involved in tech, I like to do things that are totally not related to tech, just to kind of balance out my life. Enough about that. What are we going to talk about today? Well, the first thing that I want to clarify, what exactly is an object? And I also want to clarify how exactly we're going to use those in our applications. I'm going to also go over a strategy of how we can, in particular, how we can use objects to kind of organize our code. And then finally, I'm just going to talk about the future of JavaScript and objects and what's already available to us, and kind of the evolution of objects, and hopefully some improved syntax just to help using object-oriented programming ideas and concepts a little easier and natural in a JavaScript environment. So let's get started.